Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Android Studio tutorials. In this video I will show you how you can download Android Studio for free, install it on your PC, create your first app, and even how you can run it on your mobile phone. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, in order to download Android Studio you have to open any of your browser, like I am using Chrome here, and then search for Android Studio. Then this is the official site of Android Studio. You can click here or download to directly download it. So I'm clicking on here. Okay, then to download Android Studio you just have to press this button, which will download your operating system's version, the latest version, which is here 3.2.1, which is 927 MB, which is a quite big. If your CPU is not good enough, then this app will lag in your PC, but it will work in any computer, I think. So this is the description about the application. You can read it if you want to. Then click on download Android Studio. Then these are some terms and conditions of Android Studio. Read this, then click on I have read and agree with about terms and conditions, then download Android Studio for whatever operating system you are using. I'm cancelling it because I downloaded it before. Okay, now let's open up the Android Studio. Okay, Android Studio, it is already opened in my second screen. Then you have to go to file and new. Okay, when you first time download Android Studio, this window will not pop up. You have to download some SDK files. Then you can create your first project. Okay, when you press on create a new project, this window will be shown. Okay, here you can give any name to your application. Like for this app, let's give it first application. Then the company domain, it will automatically get it. Then the project's location where your file will be saved. Then if you know C++ and Kotlin and want to use it on your app, you can check these two boxes out. Otherwise you don't need to do this. Then press next. You have to select a device which you are creating apps for, like Android TV, Wear OS, phone and tablet. Okay, we are creating for a mobile phone, so I'm clicking on phone and tablet. Then the minimum API version. What is the minimum API version? So the API is application program interface. Okay, and the minimum API version means the version you selected and the above version will support the app, but the below version means version 4.0 will not support the app I am creating, because I am selecting Lollipop, which is 5.0. So if I select 5.0, all of the below this 5.1, 6.0 will support my application. So I am selecting 5.0, which covers 85% of devices which are using Android OS. Then click on next. Okay, then you have to select activity which you want to add to your mobile phone. It start from basic activity and goes to tabbed activity. This activity provide you different kind of structure that you need. Like if you click on Google Map activity, the map will automatically come, and you just have to give your code there. But we are creating a simple starting basic app, so I am selecting empty activity, then press next. Then what will be the name of your activity? It can be anything, let it be main activity. Okay, and the layout's name, how layout means how your app will look like. So it's activity main here, let it be that. Then click on finish. It will take a little time, then this window will pop up. Two processes are running. Try not to do anything while processes are running, let it be completed. Okay, it's completed now. Here comes the best thing about Android Studio. It gives you a little code that you can work on. This is your main activity.java file, which will be in Java. Then main activity, this at this location, and this is your activity main.xml file, which will be in resources, layout, activity main.xml file. Okay, so this is how your app will look like. This is design view. Okay, so it is giving us hello world over here. If you want to change it, you can change it from here, like hello friends, or whatever you want to. You can even change your text color size, like size 24 sp, text color to, let's give it red. You can bold it. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Okay, you can add different things like button, image, scroll view, switch, fragment, recycle view. Let's add a button here just for fun, you know. You have this is a constraint layout, so you have to give margin like this, and in top here, that the button it will state its location. Okay, let's give this button a good name, like tap on it. Oh, sorry, on it. Then text size, text color. Yeah, this is how easy creating a button on Android Studio is. The background is white and this is green. If you want to change it, if you don't satisfied with this color, you can go to values, then style, and open editor. This is the theme editor, when you can edit your theme. If you want to edit change primary color to something you like dark red, then color primary dark. Wait a second, it's still loading. Okay, there it is. This is how the toolbar will look if we give it primary color as red, then color primary dark, let's give it pink. Okay, it's not dark, but it's okay. This will be on our notification bar or status bar. Ascent is when you click on a button, how your check button will look like. Then background color, it's background color. Let's give it yellow. You can also adjust transparency. Okay, we created our theme. You can also change all of the color. Feel free to use your favorite colors. Okay, after creating a theme, you have to go to your activity. Okay, theme is applied. If the theme is not applied, then you have to click on app theme, more themes, manifest theme or project theme, then your app theme. Okay, this is your theme. Now if you want to run this app, you can do two things. You can use your own mobile phone or a virtual device. So let's see how you can use virtual device to run your app. So you have to click on this play button, and then if you don't have any devices, you have to create a new device. Select any of this phone, and then next, then the operating system. I have to download it, so I'm cancelling it because I have two virtual device already, but you can download it and then create a virtual device. Okay, before creating virtual device, you have to check that you have SDKs installed. I have Android Pie and Lollipop, so I can run on apps on that two SDKs. Okay, let's run this app on Pixel 2 API 27. It's my virtual device. 3 processes are running, so it will install my app on this virtual device, then run it. Okay, that is, tap on it, it's a button and it's just a text. And first application, which is our application's name. Yeah, that's how it is to create app on Android Studio and run it. Okay, now if you want to run it on your real phone, you can connect it with USB cable and then go to your settings and turn on the developer option. Then your mobile will show up here, and you click on it and press OK. Then you can run it on your own smartphone. Otherwise, if it is not working for your phone, then what you can do, you can build this app by clicking on build apps and build APK. If you click here, it will generate its APK. Then click on this locate. Okay, APK debug.apk. It's a by default name. You can change it if you want to, like first application.apk. Okay, if you want, you need to copy this file and paste it to your mobile phone, and then click on it to install it. Then you can see this on your mobile phone also. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in comment section which apps should I make, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, see you in the next video.